Okay, here we have Wah number 4. This is a Dunlop case. Inside is a VOX circuit board with the fabled N30 inductor that was also used in the Budwah Board, the early ones. This also has the vocal mod potentiometer on the outside. I put a small resistor in series with it so that it never goes to 0, so it goes from normal setting 33K to 100K, so you have those two options. There have been a couple other options, things done to it. I did put some switchcraft jacks in it. The input resistor has been changed to a 47K instead of 68, so it gets a little more signal in. The mid-range resistor has been changed from a 1.5K to a 3K, not quite as high as I do on most of them, but this has the higher output transistors, so I didn't want to go too far with that. The volume and bass resistor has gone from a 470 ohm to a 330 ohm resistor. We have the true bypass in the non-pop configuration, and that's about it. Let's hear it. Okay, this is Wah number 4. It is a Dunlop case with a VOX board inside. It has the N30 inductor, which is also used by Budda in the Budwah, the early ones. This one has the vocal mod knob on the outside. Also has a few well-placed mods on the inside. We're going to be demoing that through our trusty mid-70s Marshall combo using my so-called Les Paul standard. And here we go. Here's the sound of the amp clean. We're going to start with the vocal mod pot on the outside in the normal setting. Turn totally the other direction. Turning it back. You can see that the sharpness is gone. This one's a little subtler. I didn't make it where it turned it all the way off. That's the amp with a little bit of crunch. We have the mod pot, the vocal pot in the normal position. Turning it full clockwise. That's the amp with a good bit more overdrive. That's all this one will do. With this much, I like overdrive. I like the vocal pot in the normal position. It's a little more controllable. Works better for the cocked wah sound. It is not so abrupt, but I also like it when it's cranked up all the way.